The built-in cup holders on the 997 Red Arrow are a pretty slick setup. The problem is that they break from all the wear and tear over the years. Replacement can be simple or a pain depending on if it gives you trouble or not. Begin by opening the glove box. There are two 4mm Allen screws holding the cup holder in place and indicated by the red arrows. If you have a ball socket 4mm Allen tool, this will really help, as there is very little room to work. Loosen the two screws. They will stay in place in the holder. With them loose, the cup holder should slide right out from the opening in the dash. Lots of times they don't slide out easily. Here you can see the two screws that remain in the holder, red arrows. The screw on the right side would not let go, and we had to carefully slip a trim removal tool into the gap and help lower the screw from the upper mount. Use care when doing this so as not to disturb the leather. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.